Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse shots. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. 6 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 3 large eggs. You'll also need to set up a double boiler to melt the chocolate gently. Remember to separate your egg yolks from the whites very carefully, as any yolk in the whites can prevent them from whipping properly. This preparation ensures a smooth start to our delicious dessert. Now let's get started with the chocolate. Melt your 6 ounces of dark chocolate over the double boiler until it's smooth and glossy. Once melted, remove it from the heat. While it's still warm, whisk in your 3 egg yolks one at a time until fully incorporated. This creates a rich, stable base. Then, gently fold in about 1/3 of your already whipped heavy cream to lighten the mixture slightly, preparing it for the next steps. Next, we'll prepare the airy components. In a separate bowl, whip your 1 cup of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. In another clean bowl, beat your 3 egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. These will give our mousse its light texture. Finally, gently fold the remaining 2/3 of your whipped cream into the chocolate and yolk mixture until just combined, being careful not to deflate it. For the grand finale, it's time to bring everything together. Very gently, fold the beaten egg whites into your chocolate mousse base. Use a light hand to maintain that airy texture. Once fully combined, spoon or pipe the mousse into small shot glasses or individual ramekins. Chill for at least 2 hours before serving for the best consistency. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.